Back to my channel. How are you doing? My name is KNhair, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, how are you? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I know I returned looking hot like pepper stew. Look at me. This hair was sent to me from KNhair. I'm going to show you guys how the wig was made from start to finish, and I'm going to show you guys how the bundles came and just talk about everything that you need to know about the hair. It was shipped via FedEx and it took about 3 days to get to me, which is really fast. And I love the fact that it came in a satin bag, which I will mention along the video, because when I take off my wig, I don't have wig heads, which I think I should get wig heads. I don't have like mannequin heads, so whenever I want to store my wig, I like to store it in a satin bag because it's better and it's safer for the hair that way. This hair is very beautiful. It is so lush. It's just that this is what you call hair for big women. Number one, because it's long and it's really full. It's a body wave hair, so it's really full, and you cannot be walking on the roads of Lagos in this hot weather wearing this kind of hair. You have to be in a car, you have to be in an air-conditioned environment. If not, my sister, he's gonna kill your life, he's gonna finish you. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of making the wig, how the wig was made, just everything, so that you guys can, you know, see that this came from something to something. Okay, so the hair was delivered to me via FedEx and it took 3 days, which was really fast. It came in a satin bag, which I think all hair companies need to start including in their hair packages, because you have a place to keep your hair when you're done. It came with a note, came with a cute pack of 4 mink lashes, and then it came with 4 bundles of hair. So I got 2 bundles of 22 inches, 2 bundles of 20 inches, and then an 18-inch 4x4 closure. The hair is Brazilian body wave. So this is what the lace closure looked like. It came not plucked at all, so you can see that the hairline is very unnatural. The hair is so soft and so bouncy, like it just felt so good running my hands through it. You can see that I did that a lot in this video. So the first thing she did was she started bleaching the lace closure. So she mixed in bleach powder and developer, and she mixed it in until there were no lumps, and then she just applied that on the lace closure, just trying to make sure that it covers the whole area. And then she left it for about 10 minutes because she said if it stays longer than that, it can bleach the roots of the wig itself, or of the hair itself. So once it was about 10 minutes, we washed it off with shampoo, and then the next thing that she did was that she cut the excess lace off from the closure. So once she sewed the lace closure to the front part of the wig cap, which we use this elastic dome cap for the wig because it's more comfortable, at least for me. I prefer it to the net one, so that's the one we use for this wig. So she just kept on sewing the weft round. She doubled the weft, by the way, and then she didn't cut any one at all. But then when we started getting close to the closure, we realized that the hair was really full, so she had to now start taking up more space than she actually planned to, because it was extremely full and the weather is really hot. I don't want to wear hair that is so voluminous that would make me sweat. she was done, she parted the hair in the middle, which I wish we had done a C-part, because I really like C-parts. I like how natural C-parts are. So she parted the hair in the middle. She used a needle to part it just so that it would give her a more defined line, and then she sprayed it with leave-in conditioner and water, and she plucked the part just because it's easier. The hair is softer, that way the hairs come out, you know, way easier and way quicker than when the hair is dry. So she plucked it all the way to the back, and I feel like the deeper the part, the more natural the hair looks. So now she's spraying it again because she wants to blow dry it. She wants the hair to lie flat, so she's going to, you know, use a blow dryer and do the chase method just so that the hair lays flat and looks, you know, sleek and cute and fine. So once that was done, we put the hair in bendy rollers. I don't know if bendy rollers keep curls longer than using a curling wand. I don't have a curling wand, but I have a straightener. So I'm still going to try this hair out with a straightener just to see how it will perform. But we used bendy rollers and, you know, leave-in conditioner with water, and that was it. I'm now going to take a brush like this and I'm going to put it into my face powder, and I'm just going to go over the closure and it came in 4 bundles, and this is 3 bundles here on my hair. This is what 3 bundles looks like. It is extremely full. Like, this is full enough for me. I know some people like to go fuller, but this is full enough for me, so I did not add the last bundle. And the thing about this hair is the more you run your hands through it, or run like a white tooth comb through it, the fuller it gets. When I combed the hair out before I put bendy rollers in it, it was so full. It was extremely full. So when you put rollers, it kind of holds the strands together. For the lace closure, what I did was, which I showed you guys earlier on, what I did was I just always make sure that I do my baby hairs under my stocking cap. Like before I put my stocking cap on, I like to straighten my hair, make sure that I brush my hair in, so that any part of my hair that shows alongside, you know, during the process of me flipping my weave or just like this, you won't see hair that is twisted and looking rough and looking, you know, just unkept. So when I straighten my hair out under my stocking cap, even if I flip my wave, like I just see a little bit of that hair, you see that the hair under is laid and, you know, sleek, and it just makes the whole look better. It makes it look more beautiful that way. All the details you need will be in the description below, so please check the description below. Also the number and the Instagram page of the lady who makes my wigs, because a couple of people asked me when I did the video for my kinky curly hair, for the kinky curly hair that I got. So I'll leave her number and her Instagram page in the description also below. I'll leave the Instagram page and everything of this brand so that you guys can check them out. But can you guys see how I look like a snack? Like I'm looking like, and I don't know what to say. I look like somebody. Really, wig making is not as difficult as I used to think it was. Like, I think it's just laziness, honestly. I think I've just closed my mind to the fact that I can't make a wig to save my life. But you know, watching her make the wig, I feel like it's not as difficult as I always thought it was. But what do you guys think about the hair? Let me know in the comments what you think about the hair. Is it popping or popping? Because it's popping. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.